have discussed about the recognition and counting of coins and notes. Okay. In our today's class, we are going to discuss again the counting of money. How both the coins and notes we can count. We are going to discuss in our today's class. See, before going to our today's class, let us recall few points about our previous class. Okay. Yes. See, what is the symbol of rupee? What is the symbol of rupee? How can you draw the symbol of rupee? Yes. See here. Now, yes. Can you see the symbol of rupee now on the board? Yes. This is the symbol of rupee. And also, now you have to recognize few notes. See, I will show you. See, recognize this note. Which note is this? This is 100 rupee note. Okay. Yes. Next note. See, which note is this? This is 50 rupee note. Okay. Yes. Next I will show you. See, which note is this? This is 200 rupee note. Okay. This is 200 rupee note. Okay. Yes. Next. See, which note is this? What is the value of this note? This note value is 20 rupees. Okay. Yes. Next, one more note. Yes. See, now tell me what is the value of this note? The value of this note is rupees 10. Very good. Yes. See, dear children, until now we have recalled about our previous class. In the today's class, we gonna discuss about the counting of money. How we can count the money. All those things we are going to discuss in our today's class. Okay? Yes. See, before counting the money, you have to know one basic point. What is that? See here. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. This is important point that you have to remember. Okay. This is very necessary in counting of money. Okay. You know 1 rupee coin, right? Have you all seen the 1 rupee coin? Yes. To make a 1 rupee coin, we need how many paise? 100 paise. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Okay. Yes. See, how can we make this 100 paise? Using the paise coins. Okay. See, second row. In this you can see 25 paise coins. Okay. 25 paise, 25 paise, 25 paise, 25 paise. I have drawn it on the board. Next I will show you practically. Okay. See, 25 paise, 4. If we add 4 25 paise, we will get 1 rupee. If we add 4 times 25 paise, we will get 1 rupee. Okay. Yes. Next, by adding the 50 paise twice, not 50 rupees. Okay. By adding the 50 paise 2 times, we will get 1 rupee. See, I have written 25p. P means it is the short form of paise. 25 paise. See, instead of writing this, I have written only p. Okay. Again here also I have written 25p. P in the sense paise. Okay. 25 paise plus 25 paise plus 25 paise plus 25 paise. If we add the 25 paise 4 times, we will get 1 rupee. Okay. Yes. Next I have told you 50 rupees not it is 50 paise. Okay. If we add the 50 paise 2 times, we will get 1 rupee. Okay, dear children? Yes. Yes, dear children. Now let us see counting coins and notes. How can we count coins and notes? All those things let us see now. Okay. See, different combination of coins and notes can make different amounts of money. Different combination of coins and notes can make different amounts of money. Means different coins and notes can make a different amount of money. By using a different coins and notes, we can make a different amount of money. How it is? By examples, let us see now. See, if you go to shop to buy the one rule sheet to write your exams, okay, whatever it may be. If one rule sheet is 2 rupees, then how will you give the money to the shopkeeper? Yes, you may give 1 2 rupee coin. ಒಂದು 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ you will give 2 1 rupee coin. 1 2 rupee coin ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ 2 1 rupee coins ನ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. How can it is possible? I will show you practically. Look at here.
Yes, dear children, example number 1, you can read this, right? Rupees 2, as we have now done in the board. How can we do this using the coins? Now let us see, okay. If you want to make this 2 rupee, how can you make this 2 rupee? Using the other coins. Now let us see, okay. Yes, see, by keeping this 2 rupee, this is a 1 form. Okay, next, by keeping 1 rupee 2. 1 rupee na 2 ಇಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ 2 ರೂಪಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ 1 ರೂಪಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ರೂಪಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 2 ರೂಪಿ. 1 ರೂಪಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ರೂಪಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ರೂಪಿ. 1 ರೂಪಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ರೂಪಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ರೂಪಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ 2 1 ರೂಪಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಅ 2 ರೂಪಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, this is the first example.
Yes, example number 2, 3 rupees or rupee 3. 3 rupees or rupees 3. Okay, see, how can we make the 3 rupee? You already know that 3 rupee coin doesn't exist right now. Okay, innu 3 rupee coin yavadu ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ. So, how can we make the 3 rupee using the coins? 3 1 rupee coins is equal to 3 rupees.
Rupees 3. See, for making rupees 3, how much 1 rupee coins or how much 2 rupee coins do we need? Yes, see here, question is rupees 3. By using the different coins, we have to make 3 rupee. How can we make? See, first one is by keeping 1 rupees. How much? 3. 3 1 rupee coins makes 3 rupees. 1 rupee coins 3 can make a 3 rupees. We all know that 3 rupee coin or note is not there, right? Yes, therefore 1 rupee 1 rupee 1 rupee. Okay, see, 1 rupee coin plus 1 rupee coin is equal to how much? Rupee 3. We don't have 3 rupee coin or note, right? Therefore, by adding the 1 rupee coin thrice, we will get rupees 3. See, 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 3 rupee. This is 3 rupee now. Okay, yes. Next, one more. This is one type. There is also one more type. What is that? By using 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin, we can make again a 3 rupee. How it is? See here. See, this is 2 rupee coin. You can see here, right? Yes, arrange it first. Okay, this is 2 rupee coin, and with the 2 rupee coin, you have to add 1 rupee coin. See, 1 rupee, arrange it. 1 2 rupee coin and again 1 rupee coin. 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಒಂದು, 1 rupee coin ಒಂದು. Okay, yes, write down here 2 rupee, 1 rupee, 2 rupee plus 1 rupee is equal to rupee 3. Okay, 2 rupee plus 1 rupee is equal to rupees 3. By adding 2 rupee coin along with 1 rupee coin, we will get 3 rupee coin.
Yes, dear children, example number 3, 50 rupees or rupees 50. Okay, how it can be done? Using the notes. See, 50 rupees can be done using the 10 rupee notes. See here. By adding the 10 rupee notes 5 times. By adding the 10 rupee note 5 times, we will get 50 rupees. If we add the 10 rupee 5 times, we will get 50 rupees. Okay. Next, by using the 20 rupees, how this 50 can be made? See here. See, these are 20 rupees, right? Yes. See, take 2 20 rupees notes along this one 10 rupee note. Take this 2 20 rupee notes along with this one 10 rupee note. Now we can form 50 rupee note. 2 20 rupee notes plus 1 10 rupee note, it is equal to the 1 50 rupee note. Okay. Yes. How it can be done? Theoretically or practically, you can see now. Okay. Yes.
Yes, dear children, example number 3, rupees 50. Okay, how can we arrange this rupees 50 using these notes? Okay, yes. See, for arranging the 50 rupees, we need 5, how much? Yes, 5 10 rupee notes we want, right? Yes, can you see? These are the 10 rupee notes. Okay, see, look at here. These are the 10 rupee notes. By arranging the 5 10 rupee notes, we will get 50 rupee. Okay, see, 1 10 rupee note, 2 10 rupee note, and again 3 10 rupee note, and again 4 10 rupee note, and 5 10 rupee note. Totally here there are how many 10 rupee notes? 5. Count here. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 10 rupee note is equal to how much? How much? Yes, 150 rupee note. 5 10 rupee notes are equal to 150 rupee note. And also, look at here. And also, we can make this 50 rupee note using the other coins, other notes also. How it is possible? I will show you. Look at here. Look at here, okay. See, by using 20 rupee notes and by using the 10 rupee notes, we can make again 50 rupee note. How it is? See here. See, you keep first 20 rupee notes. How much? 2. 20 rupee note. This is also a one new version of 20 rupee note. It is green in color, okay. Green yellowish in color. See, this is 20 rupee note. 1 and second 20 rupee note. This is also a 20 rupee note. Okay. 2 20 rupee notes plus 1 10 rupee note is equal to how much? Is equal to 150 rupee note. Okay. See here. 2 20 rupee notes with 1 10 rupee note, it is equal to 150 rupee note. See once again, 2 20 rupees note along with 1 10 rupee note, it is equal to 50 rupee note. Okay.
Example number 4, 10 rupees or rupees 10. How this 10 rupees can be formed using the coins? In 3 ways we can form the 10 rupee. By using 1 rupee coin, by using 2 rupees coin, and also by using 5 rupees coin we can make 10 rupee. Now I will show you practically how the 10 rupees is formed using 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupee. Okay. Look at here.
Yes, example number 4, rupees 10. You have to make the rupees 10. You can make the rupees 10 using the coins as well as using the notes. Okay. First, let us do using the coins. By using only the 1 rupee coin, let us make rupees 10. Do you know how can we make it? See here, this row are all 1 rupee coins along with these two. Okay. See, how can we make the 10 rupee using the coins? Using only the 1 rupee coin. See, you arrange 10 1 rupee coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, we have arranged 10 1 rupee coins. See, I will arrange it properly. Look at here. We have arranged 10 1 rupee coins. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 1 rupee coins is equal to 1 10 rupee note. Okay. Yes, see. 10 1 rupee coin is equal to 1 10 rupee note. ಸಿ 10 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು 10 ರೂಪಿ ನೋಟಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಆರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ rupees 10 using 2 rupee coins. Okay, yes, here are 2 rupee coins. You arrange 5 2 rupee coins. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, we have arranged 2 rupee coin. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 2 rupee coin is equal to 1 10 rupee note. 5 2 rupee ಕಾಯಿನ್ಗಳು ಒಂದು 10 ರೂಪಿ ನೋಟಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ 5 2 rupee coin is equal to 1 10 rupee note. Now let us move on by using the coins of 5 rupee. How can we make 10 rupee? Let us see now. Okay, yes, see, in this where are 5 rupee coins? See here, yes, these are the 5 rupee coins, right? Yes, see. Okay, arrange 2 5 rupee coins. One 5 rupee coin is already arranged. This is the second 5 rupee coin we have arranged now. Okay, 2 5 rupee coins is equal to how much? 1 10 rupee. 2 5 rupee coin is equal to 1 10 rupee note. 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿದು ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿದರೆ ಒಂದು 10 ರೂಪಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ 5 plus 5, what is the sum of 5 plus 5? 10. Therefore 10 rupee is equal to 5 rupee also. 2 5 rupee. Okay, yes, let us see now new version of 10 rupee. It is coin. See, this is the 10 rupee coin. This is new version. It has two colors, gold color and silver color. See, half gold is there, half silver is there. On this they have written, there is a symbol of rupee. See, as I shown you in the previous class, there is a symbol of rupee and also below that they have written 10 in number. Okay, see, turn that coin. In this back side, what is there? This is our national emblem, 4-headed lion. Okay, this is the new 10 rupee coin. Okay, did you see? Is there in your home? Yes. Okay, yes. Now I will show you one more new coin, that is 20 rupee coin. See, this is 20 rupee new coin. See, on this also there is a rupees symbol and below that there is a number 20. It is 20 rupee coin. See, turn this coin. In this coin is also our national emblem is there. Okay. See, four-headed lion is also there. This is the new 20 rupees coin. Okay. Yes. Yes, dear children. This is the Arab's coin. Arab country. Have you seen Arab country? No. I hope you heard that name, right? Arab. This is the Arab country's coin. Here, this side there is a ship, symbol of ship, right? Sorry. This side you can see the symbol of ship, okay? And turn the coin. Here, there is the language of Arab's language is there. Downside that you can see Arab Emirates. We can call it as Arab Emirates. The currency of Arab is Arab Emirates, okay? Yes, this is the Arab country coin, okay? Yes.
Yes, dear children. Example number 5. 100 rupees or rupees 100. How these 100 rupees are formed using the notes or coins? See, 100 rupee note is formed by using the 10 rupee coin, 20 rupee coin, and also by using the 50 rupees coin, we can make this 100 rupee. See, if we add the 10 rupee coins 10, or if you have 10 rupee coins 10, then it is equal to 100 rupee. This is how we form the 100 rupee note using 10 rupees. Okay. Yes, in the same way, how we can make the rupees 100 by using 20 rupee notes? See here. See, if we add the 20 rupee note 5 times. If you add the 20 rupee note 5 times, then it is equal to 100 rupee. If you have 20 rupee notes 5, or if you have 5 20 rupee note, then it is equal to 100 rupees. Okay, this is how the 100 rupees formed using the 20 rupee notes. In the same way, how the 100 rupees formed using the 50 rupee note? See, if we add the 50 rupee note 2 times, or if you have 250 rupee note, then it is equal to 100 rupee. See, if you have 250 rupee note, then it is equal to 100 rupees. Okay, dear children? Yes, now you see it practically. Okay? Yes.
Yes, now let us see the fifth example, that is rupees 100. How this rupees 100 is formed by using the other notes? Let us see now. Okay. See, first let us make the 100 rupees using 10 rupee coins, 10 rupee notes. Okay. See here. See, this is 100 rupee notes. Okay. See here, now I have taken 10 rupee notes. How much? How much we have to take? 10 rupee notes. Okay. See, I will arrange it. Listen, look at here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I have arranged the 10 rupee notes. Then 10 rupee notes, it is equal to the 100 rupees. 10 rupee note, it is equal to the 100 rupee. Okay. Yes. Now let us see how this 100 rupee is formed by using the 20 rupee coins. 20 rupee notes. Let us see. Okay. Yes. See, these are the 20 rupee notes. Okay. Let us arrange now 5 20 rupee notes. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have arranged 5 20 rupee notes. Okay. 5 20 rupee notes, it is equal to the 100 rupee. 5 20 rupee notes, it is equal to the 100 rupees. Okay, dear children? Yes. Now let us move on to the next example. Okay? Yes.
See, this is how 100 rupee is formed using 10 rupee, 20 rupee and 50 rupee. Now let us move on to the next one. Example, okay? Yes. Yes, dear children. Example number 6. 500 rupees or rupees 500. See how these 500 rupees are formed using the notes. Yes, see, we can make the 500 rupees using the 100 rupee notes and also by using the 200 rupees notes. Okay. Yes. How it is done practically, I will show you now. Okay. Yes.
Yes, let us see the example number 6. Rupees 500. How this 500 can be done using the notes. Okay. See, first you see where is 500. Is this 500? No. Then where is 500? Search here. Yes, this is 500, right? Take this 500. See, this is 500 rupees note. How this note can be formed using the other notes? Let us see now, okay? Yes. First, let us make the 500 rupee note using the 100 rupees. Using 100 rupees, let us see how the 500 is formed, okay? Yes. See, now I have taken 100 rupee notes. By keeping 500 rupee notes, we will get 500. 500, okay? Sorry, 1,500, 1,500. See, for the formation of 500 rupees, let us take 100 rupee notes, okay? Yes. Keep 100 rupee notes, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have kept 500 rupees note. 500 rupee notes, it is equal to 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500 rupee note, it is equal to 500 rupee. Okay? Yes. Dear children, we can make this 500 rupee note using 200 notes also. How can we make it? Look at here. Now I will keep 200 rupees notes. Okay? See, 200 rupees note, 200 rupees note and 100 rupees note. It is equal to 500. See, 200 plus 200 plus 100, it is equal to 500. In the same way, you have to practice few other examples at your home.
Yes, dear children, this is how the 500 rupee is formed using 100 and 200 notes. Yes, dear children, I hope you all enjoyed this class today, right? Yes. Let us meet in the next class with the new concept and very interesting concept. Thank you. Bye children.